Hi, this video is to help students to use computers at ADVETI, and this part is how to use Blackboard. So Blackboard is the learning management system for ADVETI. The website is elearning.adveti.ac.ae. You should save this as a bookmark on your computer. To enter, you need to enter your username, which is your student ID, and the password, which is A capital, A small, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or the new password if you changed it. We use Blackboard for class materials, for exams, for projects. If you have an online class, you use it. And also there are other important links you need it for. So when you open Blackboard, you will see My Courses. On here, there is a CRN for each course you study. You might also have CA course, and this is for exams. In the course, there is a menu bar on the side. This is for announcements, information, maybe your online class, and also materials for the course. The online class is in the course. It's called Blackboard Collaborate. You need to turn on the camera and the microphone, and you must participate in the class. You can also see feedback and grades in Blackboard. So you open the course, click on My Grades, and then you will see a small speech bubble to give you feedback when the teacher gives it. And then finally, you can also hide your old courses. So if you have a lot of courses, you go to My Courses, click Settings, and just open the current term only. So these are the things we use Blackboard for. Here is a video to show you how to do all these things on Blackboard. To open Blackboard, you need to go to this website, elearning.adveti.ac.ae. To log into Blackboard, you need to use your student ID for the username, and the password is A capital, A small, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or the password you changed to. Then when you open Blackboard, you will see My Courses. These are all the courses you study. To find the different course, you will have a CRN number. This refers to the number of the course you're studying. So you have different numbers, so you need to check with your teacher which one. You also have CA courses, and this is for your exams or assessments. To open a course, just click on the name. When you open the course, you will see a menu bar on the left in blue. If you can't see the menu bar, you just need to hover over this grey line to open and close. Here you will see information about the course. You might see some materials on the course. You will see your grades, and you will also see your online class. If you have an online class, click here to open. If there is an online class, you will see two places. This course room is locked. You cannot go in there. But if there is an online class, the teacher will put the time and the day here. Click on it to enter the class. Click Join Session. And this is what the online class looks like. The teacher is sharing some materials. You should switch on your microphone here to share your audio, and here is how to switch on your camera. If you want to ask a question, you can raise your hand by clicking there. If you just want to type the question, you click on this purple arrow on the right hand side. If you are absent from the class, you can go here to click on the lines and see the recordings of old sessions. Some courses will have grades that you need to check. So if you did some work, the teacher will give you some grades. Usually this is an assessment course, so open. Click on My Grades. And here you can see a grade that the teacher gave. So we have 100%, but also here we have a small speech bubble. If you click on it, you will see some information from your teacher to tell you what you did well or what you need to do to improve your grade. Courses list. One problem that some students have is that after a few terms they have lots and lots of courses that show on their course, and it might be too many. If you want to hide your courses, go to My Courses, click on this little Settings tab, and here you will see all the terms you are studying. If you unclick the terms and just select the current term, click Submit, you will only see the courses you are now studying, so it looks a lot easier to see on the screen. So remember, if you need any help with Blackboard, first go to your teacher. If you can't get help there, go to Mr. Georgie for IT support. His office is in Student Services. Or I have a YouTube channel at this link at the bottom, where we've made lots of videos over the years to help students with some of the technical side of using Blackboard. Thank you very much.